I can't imagine life without a dog. I just can't.
Since she was a toddler, dogs have always been constant companions in Cindy McConnell's life. Sandy the Chihuahua Terrier mix, Buffy the miniature poodle, Joshua the Australian Shepherd, Shamar, her first greyhound.
They're just pure love. They really want to please their owner.
A deep bond of unconditional love Cindy treasures. She keeps pictures and memorials of all her furry family members at home. 2 years ago, she adopted Serena, a greyhound, retired from a life of racing on the tracks.
She's this almost ethereal presence in my life.
A calming presence that keeps Cindy happy and healthy. She wants that for Serena too. So when she heard about the Dog Aging Project, groundbreaking research on human aging by studying dogs, she was excited to apply. The project is funded with a $15 million grant by the National Institute on Aging.
The Dog Aging Project came in as a very innovative approach to understand this process of aging. Their aging process is so similar to ours. And in fact, they develop the same types of diseases that humans do.
Like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, even dementia, canines can suffer from these illnesses too. Researchers from a dozen universities are hoping to recruit 100,000 pups, different breeds, ages, sizes, male, female, from all across the country. Then 10,000 pooches will be plucked from that pool to be tracked by scientists and vets for 10 years. The goal? To get a better understanding on how a dog's genetics, like a human's, impacts aging.
And we're going to learn in a relatively shorter time than we would if we were to study the human population a lot about the impact of genes, environment, lifestyle choices on aging and the development of diseases.
Investigators believe this citizen science project has the potential to identify genes in dogs that may be strongly associated with a particular condition, allowing vets to detect and treat diseases earlier.
We have concrete evidence, some concrete science that we can say these are factors that may ultimately impact the length of life. Then maybe we can make changes in our lifestyle, changes in the environment so that we see that reflected in our pet's health.
I'm excited to be part of this groundbreaking study. I do think that those who sign up their dogs are essentially willing to contribute to the greater good, to increase our understanding of how biology, lifestyle, and environment can affect healthy aging in dogs, and then have that be applicable to humans.